Look at that. I haven't seen one of these in years.
We've got our work cut out for us with this rust.
See this connection right here? It's barely holding on.
I see it. The bodywork is just as bad. This is a massive undertaking.
I'm taking the door to the rack now. Should I store the hinges separately?
Yes, keep them with the door assembly. Be careful with the paint.
That's the last one for this sequence. Torque is good.
Perfect. This side is ready for inspection. Okay, center it just a bit more. Got it. Hitting it with the gun now.
Look at that shine. It's perfect. Another masterpiece finished.